Interview method in psychology. What is interview method? Can you define interview? How many persons involved in interview? Can you list types of interview method? What are the characteristics of interview? Can you list traits of interviewer? What are the stages of interview? Can you identify advantages? Can you list disadvantages? Need to learn. The interview method is a technique used to gather data in a psychological study. It is linked to the qualitative research approach. In the interview method, a researcher sits with the individual and verbally asks them closed-ended and open-ended questions, gathering the concept being studied. Meaning of interview. The word interview comes from Latin and Middle French words meaning to see, between or see each other. Define interview method. Interview is a very systematic method by which a person enters deeply into the life of event, a strategy, and can bring out needed information and data for the research purpose. Persons involved. Interviewer. Questions are asked by the interviewer. Interviewee. Interviewed. Types of interview method. Personal interview, face to face. Structured interview, unstructured interview, focused interview, telephone interview, behavioral based interview. Characteristics of interview method. Face to face interaction between two persons. Interviews are completed by the interviewer. Interviews are a far more personal. In the personal interview, the interviewer works directly with the interviewer has the opportunity to probe or ask follow-up questions. Interviews are generally easier for the interviewee. Interviews are time-consuming. Traits of interviewer. Sense of humor, mannerism, quickness of reaction, fluency of speech, ability to organize thoughts, physical vigor, appearance, cultural level, sharpness and sophistication. Stages of interview method. First, thematizing. Second, designing. Third, interviewing. Fourth, transcribing. Fifth, analyzing. Sixth, verifying. Seventh, reporting. Advantages of interview method. More information, can overcome the resistance, create flexible, easy to understand, control more effectively, can collect supplementary information. Disadvantages. Very expensive method, possibility of the bias, data may inadequate, introduce systematic error. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.